What's up? Tubbybutt Fishing, back again. Special guest, the one and only, Shaq. We up here at the Pickwick Dam. I'm gonna see if I can put Jason Shackelford on some of these big stripers.
That's right, we're ready.
Let's see what's up.
Okay, hold on. We got a cooler.
We really ain't going nowhere.
Because if it does, somebody's
ain't going nowhere.
Somebody's going in after it.
Hey, y'all, be back again. It's Shaq and Tub. We wanna show our friends what we like to do. We bring the ends, we take a rock and a reel, and then start walking through the field and make a way to. Hey, y'all, we back again. It's Shaq and Tub. We wanna show our friends what we like to do. We bring the ends, we take a rock and a reel, and then we start walking through the field. We make our way to the pond. You know we've been here from dusk till dawn. Now I love a fish, I love a bass. But you know Jack might get drunk off his ass. But you know what's up, man, while we're here to catch fish and drink over here. Hey, y'all, we back again. It's Shaq and Tub. We wanna show our friends what we like to do. We bring the ends, we take a rock and a reel, and then we start walking through the field. We make our way to. We've been here from dusk till dawn. Never love. Hey, y'all, we back again. It's Shaq and Tub. We wanna show. You already got one? You already got one? You lost him? No. Shaq's got one on the first cast. He's way out there in the bull. We gotta get you. All right, we gotta go this way with the fish. Let the current's gonna take the fish. Let's go with it. I know. Let's go with it. There's your line right here. You got him right here close. Get him up. There he is. Get him over here close.
I hooked him in the eye. Get it.
Oh, man. Ah, got it. Oh, he's barely hooked. Hand me them pliers right there. Oh. Look at this, folks. Look where Jason got him hooked. That's barely having him hooked right there, folks. Hold your fist up, son. Don't drop him. Good fish, dude. That's what's up.
Got it?
No, just hang on. Let me get my picture.
All right, watch out. We're getting close to the thing.
We're fine. What a fish.
You ready?
All right, what are you gonna release him?
Yeah.
All right, where are you gonna release him?
Over here.
That's about an 8-pound fish right there. Start the morning off right.
Sorry about your eye, buddy.
Right in the eye. Oh shit, we're supposed to have our life jackets on, dude. Here, fat boy. Got him. Oh, it's a big one. You almost knocked my camera.
I'm not going to knock your camera up, but it is annoying when we're trying to catch huge fish.
Go from behind. There you go. All right, hang on. Watch your camera. Look at there.
Give me the phone.
That's how we do America. As Biscuit would say, for the city. This one's for you, B. Right there. Oh, oh. He'll get you. He'll get you. Another nice one. Start the morning off right. Now me and Shaq both got one. See if we can get in there for another. Shaq don't know how we do around here. We be catching monster stripers around here. There they come. Oh, got him. Got him.
Got him?
Yep. He's behind the boat. Oh, man. Oh, he come off. He come off. Gone. Poof. See ya. No, I'm joking. No, I'm not sure. Yeah, I can tell when it comes off. Come on, man. Got him. Got him. Move, 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 move. Move. Right here. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Hang on, hang on, hang on. I need use the pliers, they're right there, but yeah.
That's right.
That's what's up. It only takes a team to get them in, but we got him. We got him. That's how I roll. That's how we do it. There he goes. All right, we got 3. Looking for number 4. 3 in the boat, that is. We should have 5. Oh, got him. Got him, Chuck. Got him, Chuck. Got him, Chuck. Watch my camera, always the big one. The big one, coming up. Oh, come on, man. You gotta be ready for that. Yes, get him at him. Are you on the troll motor? Are you going forward? Oh man, it's the biggest one yet. It's a 10, dude. The biggest one yet. Ah! Oh! That's the biggest one yet, folks. All right, get on the troll motor. Make us go back that way towards the people.
Oh man, that hurt my hand. I didn't know.
All right, guys. That's gonna do it for today's episode. We caught a few fish for you guys. We didn't tear them up, but we didn't get skunked either. We caught some decent sized striper, but the bite seems like it's done. It was an early morning thing. It's now 9:40, so we're gonna call it quits.
We're gonna have to get here at 3 o'clock in the morning.
We're gonna have to get here a little bit more early next time. We got here like 6:40. It should have been here like 6, and we probably could have caught a few more fish. But
it would have been dark if we got in really early.
If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe. If you got any ideas for what you'd like to see us do next time, put that in the comment section below. Holla at your boy, Tubbybutt Fishing Tennessee. Out. Oh, he made it. All right, Shaq. Show me what you got going on here.
Got a Bud Light.
No, I'm talking about the wetness. Yeah, yep, you busted, yep, you fell down, fell in the water, busted your elbows, both elbows. Fell about 3 times trying to get up. Yep, We just wanted to show y'all that bonus footage of Shaq's wet ass. We'll catch you later.